Hello,
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
good evening, Rida. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
I'm doing
I'm
good. Thanks for asking. I am doing good.
welcome.
So we can say it like this. If somebody asks us that how are they doing, so we can answer them like this. That thanks for asking. I'm doing good. Hope you are also fine, or I hope you're also doing good.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Okay.
And how was your day?
Ma'am, my day was fine.
Fine. What did you do for an entire day? And yesterday also.
Okay, ma'am. Yesterday I watched movie,
Moving.
cartoon.
I was watching movie.
I was watching movie
Which movie?
like with my sister only. Her favorite cartoon, Peppa Pig cartoon.
So you are like you do not tell her that what you want to watch. You just go according to her
Oh,
wish.
yes, ma'am. But when I will say, she will just touch my hand.
So you adjust.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you adjust and compromise for your sister, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. That's what elder sisters do, right?
Yes, but sometimes we fight.
You fight what for?
Or mobile or TV. She sometimes I make craft. She loves and she takes.
How
For
many
that
mobile
we fight.
How many mobile phones you have at home? One mama's and one
Right?
papa's. How
Yes.
many how many mobile phones you
Ma'am,
have?
when my father took a new phone, that one also.
That is so old one is with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is a spare phone. Spare means extra phone.
Okay.
We use the word spare. Spare means something which is extra.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And you did your work, right? Your mama had sent that to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's discuss that, okay? You did really well, by the way. Some of the sentences were
Thank
really
you.
good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So first was secure. Can you tell me what spelling you have written for secure?
In sentences.
The very first one.
Okay. SECURE.
Okay, correct. So you wrote secure a child safety. Okay, and the
Yes,
full
ma'am.
stop is missing. Wrong, right? Next one, concerned. I am concerned about my exam. I really like this sentence. I am concerned about my exam. Perfect. This one is also. Do you make these sentences on your own or your mama helps you out?
Ma'am, I made my sentences by my own.
Very good, wonderful. Prevent. I have to prevent her from being sick. Good. You are again doing the same mistake. You are using
Huh?
capital letters in between the sentences.
Oh, okay.
Don't do that, okay?
Ma'am.
Next one is formation. Earth formation is very long. So here you are saying that अर्थ यानी कि पृथ्वी अर्थ की जो फॉर्मेशन है वो काफी लंबे समय तक चली है. दैट इज व्हाट यू वांटेड टू राइट, राइट? सो पृथ्वी की यानी कि हम अर्थ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे यू विल राइट अर्थ, यू विल पुट वन एपोस्ट्रोफी एस. यू नो व्हाट्स एन एपोस्ट्रोफी एस? एंड देन एस.
Comma, and then S.
Yes.
Okay.
Next one, astonishing. I saw an astonishing pearl. Okay. The sun is very massive. Okay, massive. Adya, massive means very big. So you do not have to use the word very for massive again.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, इसका what does it mean that it's very very big?
Okay, ma'am.
Next one is various. I visited various malls. Wonderful. Next one is constantly. Me and my sister constantly drink milk. Okay. So you wrote this sentence thinking that you drink milk every day on regular basis. That's why you have used the word constantly.
Yes, ma'am.
But there is one difference between regularly and constantly. Regularly is something which you do every day. Okay. And constantly is something which is being done right now
Oh, okay.
in present form.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you can write like this that me and my sister are constantly eating puri for 4 hours or poha for 4 hours. 4 hours? Sorry, half an hours.
Yes, I forgot.
Okay. Next sentence. I live in Qatar. In Qatar, I live in Al Wakra. I have uh, two. I have two-story in my flat. You can write it like this. That um, you have written I have two-story in my flat. It means
Two
तुम्हारा जो
floors.
flat, the flat you are living into, it is of 2 floors,
Okay.
but your building is of 2 floors na.
Yes, ma'am.
But in your sentence it means that your flat, the room which in you are living, it means it is of two floors. So
Oh, okay.
meaning got disturbed. So you can write it like this that uh, I live in two-story building.
Okay.
Meet my daughter. She wants to say hi again.
Hi. Hi.
Hello, bolo.
Hello. How are you? I am fine. What was you doing?
Like this. What were you doing?
Oh, what were you doing?
Now this much English she doesn't understand. She understands up
Okay.
to how are you.
Okay.
वो पूछ रही है कि तुम क्या कर रही थी.
मैं वो टीवी देख रही
हाँ तो बोलो I was watching TV. I was I was
थी टीवी
watching TV.
टीवी
Okay, let's go ahead. So you can correct this sentence that I live in two-story building. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I live in first story. Okay. I live with my family. I have 2 bedrooms, one hall, including kitchen and bathroom. Nice. My home is very big. Good. Perfect. So you did really good. Our home is sweet as we. What is this? As we. What is this written?
As we see it, it is really home sweet home.
Perfect. Nice. Very good. So today's class will be about different people around us, like different people of different professions around us. Okay. Can you name some of the people with different professions or different occupations? Your voice is. Say it again.
Ma'am, can
Yes, I can
teacher?
hear. Yes, teacher. And what do they do?
Ma'am, the teachers,
They teachers. Okay. And next profession,
doctor.
doctors. What they do? What do they do?
Okay, they help us to get better.
Okay, they treat. Yes, that was perfect. So they treat us.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and next one.
Postman.
Postman, wonderful. How does he help us?
Ma'am, he takes our letter and he
Delivers.
gives and he delivers the letter.
Okay, nice. And one more.
Milkman,
Milkman, okay. What does he do?
they give us milk.
Okay, or you can say it like this, they deliver milk at home.
Okay, they deliver milk at home.
Deliver means
Deliver means to give milk.
yes. So I'm sharing my screen with you.
Okay, ma'am.
So it's a list of few people with different professions. You can see my
Okay, ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So we have more
Ma'am,
professions.
it's like yes, ma'am. I can see now.
Yes, I just zoomed in. So we will start off with the first one. The options are given at the top. You can take
Okay.
help of them if you need. Okay.
Okay.
So the very first one, can you read? Please read it.
Okay, ma'am. First one. I prepare delicious food for you to eat. Ma'am, cooker. Cooker.
Cooker, cooker,
No, sorry, cook.
cook, कुकर है कुकर में तो दाल पकाते हैं हम लोग
No, cook.
okay okay don't mind I just laughed okay
No, ma'am. Even I was laughing. When people get sick, I help them get well. Doctor.
wonderful okay one thing Rida you know the meaning of delicious
Yes, ma'am. Delicious means tasty.
yes wonderful the next one
When people get sick, I help them get well. Doctor.
next
I
one
rescue people and buildings from fire. Fireman.
yes you know the meaning of rescue
Yes, ma'am. They protect or
yes they
they
protect
help
they help
us from fire.
yes I got it that you know the meaning
Fourth
next
one.
one
I take orders and serve food and drinks at table. Waiter.
yes waiter you know the spelling of waiter
Yes, ma'am. Waiter.
wonderful next one
Fifth one. I take care that justice is done. Ma'am. Lawyer.
no it's a judge
Okay, ma'am.
lawyer only um what to say he takes the case and then he argues in the court but the
Okay,
one who
ma'am.
gives the decision is the judge.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Sixth one.
next one
I maintain order and protect the citizen. Policeman.
wonderful
I repair vehicle when they are damaged.
it's
Yes,
mechanic
mechanic. I train young people to get good results in sport.
sport
Coach.
wonderful coach
I create original pieces of artwork. Artist.
artist or painter
I study laws and I represent my client in the court. Lawyer.
yes this one is the lawyer
I treat disease and injuries of animal.
veterinary doctor
Veterinary doctor. I create and perform music. Band.
musician
Musician. I take pictures of people, places, or things. Photo shoot.
photographer
Photographer. I fly passenger on short or long flight. Pilot.
pilot
Pilot. Pilot.
no,
I grow crops and raise animals. Farmer.
farmer it's not crops it's crops
Crops. Okay.
wonderful so today we are going to learn something new what new I will be telling you whom are you looking at
Occupation.
like this sister
Yes, ma'am.
okay yeah apart from occupations I'm going to make you write in your copy and learn them in the sense that you have to use them while talking
Okay,
so there
ma'am.
are some different way I told you that there are different ways of asking how are you right
Yes, ma'am.
like how are
How
you
are you
doing
doing?
yes how are you doing similarly today we will
How's your
learn yes how was your day perfect so today we are going to learn few more types of asking how are you
okay, ma'am?
okay so will you take out your copy
Yes, ma'am. I have opened my copy.
Very good. So you can ask like this. Suppose you are asking you are meeting someone after a long time. Then you can
Yes.
ask like this, that how is everything? Give
How is the everything?
yes. You can give a heading like this. Meeting people after a long time. Okay, just give a first, Rida. First, give a heading. Different ways of asking how are you.
You of asking how are you? Um, Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. So the first point, meeting someone after a long time. In that case, how you will say how are you? Okay.
How are you? How was your day?
No, not like that. Okay. So suppose you are meeting Alicia after an year. Okay. So
Yes.
in that case, you will definitely ask her how are you, fine. But
Yes.
apart from that, you can ask her like this, that how is everything? Is there anything new happening in your life? Is everything all right? Like this.
Yes.
Got the point? So I want to give you
Yes.
one give heading number one. When meeting someone after a long time.
Ma'am, but I wrote different ways of asking how are you.
It's a subheading.
Okay, ma'am.
Got the point?
What should I write next?
Right? Number one, numerical one.
One.
Give the heading, subheading. When meeting someone, Adya, after a,
After a long time.
yes. So the first one, how you will ask is how is everything?
How is everything?
Question mark.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one, long time no see.
Long time no see.
Yes, it means बहुत दिन हो गए आपसे मुलाकात नहीं हुई या
Okay.
तुमसे मुलाकात नहीं हुई, ठीक है? So right. Show me your copy. How
First,
are you writing?
I'm writing this.
Okay. Uh, you didn't write how is everything.
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay.
How is
How is everything?
ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. Next one. Long time no see.
Okay.
I'm writing it on the screen for you so that you
Ma'am,
didn't
I
get
wrote.
confused. Okay. I'm writing it on the screen for you. I think you are getting a little bit confused. So the first heading you will put like this.
Different ways of asking how are you.
It's like 1.1. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Very good. So it's how is everything you have written, right?
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
next you will write
Long time no see.
long time no see, like this exclamation mark.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one is 1.2 under this heading is How have you been?
Me. How have you been? Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. Next heading, informal way. Informal way means when you are meeting Alicia.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose the way you talk to Alicia, like in a very friendly manner, definitely you will not talk to me in that same manner with me, right? So when you are talking to someone who is elder to you, you will talk in a formal way, correct? And we are talking with your friends, chilling and enjoying with them, you will talk to them in an informal way. So when you are asking Alicia, how are you? You can ask her like this: that what? Sorry, what?
What's up?
Only one point under this. Next one is the formal way, like how you will ask me. You know it.
Okay, ma'am.
You know this one, right? How you will ask your elders.
Yes.
How you will ask your elders.
How are you?
Yes. This is the
Everything is
most.
fine.
Yes. Is everything fine?
Say,
How are you? Or how are you doing?
how are you?
Or how do you do?
Where do you? How do you do?
Now there are different ways of answering the question when somebody asks that how are you. So there are different ways of answering. Instead of only saying that yes I am fine or I am doing good, we have some various ways of answering. That is what we are going to learn today.
Okay, ma'am.
Write it down.
Second.
Most common one, I am fine.
I'm fine. I am good.
Yes,
I'm fine.
yes, you can also say I'm good, I'm fine. Both means same.
Ma'am, in here I am fine. Why did you wrote small?
Corrected.
I am fine.
Or to sound more polite, how you can say I am fine, thank you. Or you can say thank you for asking, I am doing good.
Thank you for asking. I'm doing good.
You can say thank you for asking. एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड. So to sound more polite, we can say thank you for asking. I am doing good. And if that person has not asked, means if that person had not yet answered your question, or maybe he has not said I am fine, he has not said I am fine, then in that case,
Yes.
how you can say that thank you for asking. I am doing good. Hope you are doing well or fine or good. Got the point? सपोज सामने वाले ने आपको पहले पूछा है कि हाउ आर यू रिदा, ठीक है, तो अभी तक आपके पूछने से पहले ही उसने आपसे पहले पूछ दिया कि हाउ आर यू. तो इन दैट केस हाउ यू विल आंसर दैट थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग. I am doing good. I'm doing really good. And I hope you are doing good as well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So in that case what will happen that you do not have to ask him again how are you. Got the point?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So remember this much only. If I give too many then you will just baffle. You know
No,
the meaning
ma'am.
of baffle means very confused.
Okay, ma'am.
We will do one session on this also, that instead of using very good, very confused, very cute, very beautiful, what are the words we can use in place of them? Say for example I say that I am very angry, so in that place I will use I am frightened. Or if I say
Okay,
that
ma'am.
Rida is very cute, so instead of using very cute I will say Rida is adorable.
Okay, ma'am.
We will do one session on that only later on. Have you wrote down
Okay.
all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Rida, how are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm doing good.
Doing good? How are you doing all this time? Is
Ma'am,
everything all
nothing.
right? Is everything
Yes,
all
ma'am.
right? Anything
Everything is all right. I'm fine. Good.
anything new happening in your life?
Yes. Thank you for asking. I'm doing good. Yes, ma'am.
No, I asked you that anything new is happening. In that case, what you will answer, Rida? मैंने क्या पूछा आपको? क्या कुछ नया चल रहा है आपकी लाइफ में? Suppose nothing new is going on in your life. You're regularly having your classes, and due to Corona, you are at home only, not able to go outside also. So, in that case, you will answer that, yeah, ma'am, I'm doing really good, but nothing new is happening. Life is as usual.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, you will listen to the question properly and then answer. Got it?
Okay.
So in next class means tomorrow's class, which question you will ask me? That instead of how are you and how are you doing, what will be your next question?
I will say long time no see.
I you are meeting me every alternate day.
No, ma'am. Sorry. How have you been?
Yes, you can ask like this that how have you been? यानी कि आप
Okay,
इतने
ma'am.
दिनों से कैसे थे, ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. So you wrote down all of them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So what does a lawyer do?
Can you say again?
What does a lawyer do?
He fight us with the case.
Yes. He fights a case on behalf of his client. Now, what's the meaning of on behalf of?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. On behalf of means किसी के बदले में.
Yes.
Suppose um, you want to eat Maggie, and even I also want to eat. I do not want to eat Maggie, but
Yes.
my mama prepared Maggie to me and said, Priyanka, go and eat Maggie. Said I don't want to eat. What I will do is that I will pass on the plate to you. So in that case, I will say that Rida has eaten the Maggie on behalf of me. मेरे बदले में Rida ने वो Maggie खा ली. See what is happening around you? Your sister is doing something.
Yes, ma'am.
What is she doing? Is she going all around the house?
Yes, ma'am. She's roaming all around the corridors.
She's 7 years, no, or 5 years old.
5 years. She is going to be 6 years.
She is going to be 6 years. So she is creating all this
Nice.
noise.
Yes.
Okay. So we learned about different professions and different ways of saying how are you and then answering. We will learn one more thing today. When I ask you certain questions and you do not know the answer, you always say that, ma'am, I do not know the answer. Correct?
Yes.
So there are some different ways of saying I don't know as well. So
No.
we will list out three, only three, not too much. Three. Three different ways of saying I don't know. Okay? So the very first one is,
I
so
am
the
not knowing.
sorry.
I am not knowing.
Yes, you can say it like this. Not wrong. I am not knowing. Or you can say it like this, that I have no idea.
Okay.
Okay, will you write it down in your copy?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what heading I should write? Different ways.
Ways, different ways to say I don't know.
Hmm.
So the very first one is I have no idea. You wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one, I don't have a clue. You know the meaning of clue?
Yes, ma'am. Clue means hint.
Yes, perfect.
What should I write? I don't have clue.
I don't have a clue.
I don't have a clue.
Next one, I am unsure.
I am unsure.
You wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write three only, because too many will be little confusing for you. Okay. So now how you will say that when you don't know any of the answer, how you will say
I
I
have
don't
no
know.
idea.
I have no idea and
I have. I don't have a clue.
I don't have a clue and I am
I am unsure.
perfect. So Rida, what you had for what? What you had for what?
Breakfast.
What you had for breakfast?
My mom was having chapatis and some egg burjis.
Wow. So that requires lots of cooking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Did you notice how your mama prepared it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just tell me how did she prepare it?
First, my mother chopped onions.
Mm-hmm.
Then she heated up the kadai for 5 minutes. Pan.
Perfect. Pan
Then she add onions and fried it. Then she put it the onion
on it.
and
Again onion.
and no, I mean egg,
Eggs on it.
tomatoes.
Eggs. So first your mama chopped onions and tomatoes
Tomato
into small pieces.
in the small pieces. Yes, ma'am.
Then she heated the pan for some time
Yes,
and
5 minutes.
poured
Eggs.
means you know the meaning of pouring, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and she poured a few tablespoons of oil. She must have added oil
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and fried onions.
Yes, ma'am. Fried onions and tomato.
Fried onions and tomatoes. Then she added egg into it.
Yes, ma'am.
And then what was done?
And then she just take 1 spoon and just
Took,
cooked it.
took,
Cooked. Yes, ma'am.
took because she prepared it in the morning, right? So it has
Yes,
happened in
ma'am.
the past.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
she
She took
took,
she took the spoon and first she poured some egg. Then she took the spoon and then she cooked.
she cooked. Didn't she add, didn't she add salt into it?
Yes, ma'am. A pinch of salt.
Yes, perfect. A pinch of soil according to the taste.
Yes, ma'am.
And then how the chapati was made.
Ma'am, the chapatis was made by adding the
Wheat
by
flour
adding the yes wheat flour. Then she added some water and made a dough
and kneaded. Have you seen your
and
mother
kneaded.
like atta gutna?
Yes, ma'am.
That is called kneading. Spelling is,
Knead.
I will just tell you the spelling.
KNEKNIDING.
Very good. Little mistake. KNEAD. Need.
KNEAD. Knead. Okay.
Nice. So you're very good at spellings, right?
No, but sometime.
Sometimes. So knead. Kneading means atta gutna. So she kneaded the wheat flour with water and
Yes, ma'am. She took her roller spin and that and she roll it
she rolled it into circle,
circle.
circle shape.
Yes, ma'am.
And then
Then
it
she
was
then it was in a circle shape. Then she took tawa
heated the
and
tawa
she heated the tawa. Then she put that chapati into that tawa
and
on tawa,
finally it was baked.
and finally it was baked. Okay.
The way the cake is baked, similar verb is used for chapatis also.
Okay, ma'am.
So we won't say making chapati, we say baking chapatis.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. I guess by asking this question, you will definitely learn how to cook and you will become an expert. One day we will do this cooking activity as well. Um, we won't cook, by the way, but I will tell you certain words like the way we said kneading, rolling, pinch of soil. Okay, so these are certain verbs which is used while cooking. We will learn those verbs as well. Okay, so Rida, can you tell me what are the things done today? Can you point out what are the things have been done today?
Ma'am, we learned the ways of asking how are you, the ways of saying
The
different
ways of
of
answering.
answering, the ways of answering, the ways of saying informal, the way of saying formal, the
The
way
way
of saying I
the,
don't I don't know.
the ways of saying how are you in formal and informal way.
Okay.
Got it? And we did what? Some professions.
Yes, ma'am. Professional
Profe-
professions.
Professions. Do you find your profession among them?
No, ma'am.
No, then what do you want to be?
Ma'am, the artist. I want to be a doctor.
Okay, cardiologist.
Yes, ma'am. Now, what
Okay.
is the meaning of cardiologist?
Cardiologists are specialists in
Okay, ma'am.
heart specialist. So you only told me, no, that you want to be a heart specialist.
No, ma'am. Not
No.
hurt. I don't know the meaning, so I said yes by mistake. I want to become a children's doctor.
Children's doctor. Okay. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
cannot recall exactly what are they called.
Pathologist. No, not
No,
pathologist.
pathologists are eye specialists.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just forgetting the name. Just a second. Okay, it's called pediatricians. Pediatricians.
Pediatrician.
You can write it
I
down
can
because
spell it well.
you can spell it.
Ma'am, can you say the word?
Pediatricians.
Pedia. Tration. Pediatrician.
Little bit of mistake. It's right.
Okay.
Pediatricians. Will you write it down in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Pediatricians.
Tricin's.
These are called child
Pediatrician.
specialists.
Okay.
So next time when somebody asks you that what you want to be, instead of saying that I want to be a child specialist, you can say I want to be a pediatrician.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So what will be your homework for today? You tell me.
You
You
only
decide.
decide. I don't know.
No, I'm giving you a liberty today. Choose a homework for yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What you will do. Okay, I will
No,
help
I
you
don't.
out. When was the last time you spoke with Alicia?
Um, in
It has been really long
May
time. 20th May. So it has been more than a month.
20 May.
20th May. Was her birthday that day?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you
Yeah,
remember?
yes, ma'am. 13 May. 13 May. No, 13 July. Yes, 13 July.
13 July. So it was like just 3 days back.
Yes, ma'am.
No issues. Give her a call. Okay.
Yes.
Give her a call and ask her how are you and everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you will use these words like you will not use how are you, not at all. Instead of how
How
are
are
you,
you doing?
yes, how are you doing, or how have you been, is everything all right, or anything
Okay, ma'am.
new is happening in your life,
Okay, ma'am.
anything among these questions you will ask her.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and you will do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and also you will teach her one different way of asking how are you.
Okay, ma'am.
How does she ask you? Do you talk to her in Hindi or do you talk to her in English?
Hindi, but sometime English.
Sometimes.
Nowadays, we are talking in English.
Perfect. Do not ever talk to her in Hindi.
Okay, ma'am.
99% time you will talk to her in English. And if she asks you how are you, then
Yes.
while conversing with her, you will teach her one new way of asking how are you.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct? So this is your homework.
Okay,
Oh,
ma'am.
what is your homework then? Can you tell me? Can you repeat?
I have to. I have to say. I have to teach her
New way of asking.
one new way of asking how are you? How are you? How are you doing?
Yes.
How do you do?
Yes. And you will use one new way of asking how are you. यानी कि how
How
are
do you
you
do?
तो बिल्कुल इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है, ठीक है?
Okay.
ना ही उसको इस्तेमाल करने देना है और ना ही तुमको इस्तेमाल करना है,
Okay.
ठीक है? क्लियर है होमवर्क?
Okay.
ओके 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 Rida, we will wrap up for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then see you day after tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye, have a nice day.
Bye bye. You same to you.
Okay, or you can say it like this, that you too also have a nice day.
You too also have a nice day.
Okay, thanks, good night.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye.